Hello, what's up YouTube? I'm here at Enterprise Professional Building here at Fort Couch Road, Bethel Park, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Doing a revisit on one of their two Otis elevators, which is one of my favorites on this building because I'm heading up to an appointment with my psychiatrist on medication every 12 weeks. So I'm gonna take a ride through one of the elevators. They actually have done some major upgrading on these two elevators where they replaced the old lights and buttons. So it's this one. This one's still kind of broke. So what happened was it's an Otis and they replaced all their old floor carpet to brand new ones, and they actually replaced these lights right here to brand old lights to brand new ones. So, which is one of my favorites type of Otis elevators in this location and this other locations. Really, so the number one is still burnt out, but they're still working out. But number two works, and number three, it looks like works. Okay, I wasn't sure. So they have down the whole entire carpets over here to over here. So now we'll take a ride down to G. And one thing you don't have about this one is they don't have a closed door button. So it's nice though. I like this type of elevator. So after this video, I have to go to number two because that's where my medication psychiatrist is at. So that being said, that's just a full update on Otis elevator. One of them here at Enterprise Professional Building here at Fort Couch Road, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, part of Bethel Park. So that being said, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll be on until around August. I'll be doing more videos of this. Alright, see ya.